Hello everyone, welcome back. I have these fun little treat boxes for you today, and you can use your 6x8 paper pads because the paper are going to be cut down pretty close to the 6x8, a little shorter, but you can fit 2 of these awesome little Lindt chocolates in here. I happened to eat one because I was filming and ate one, but these are really simple and just like adorable. You could even put like a little strap on there, make it a little purse. It's really up to you. This would even be great if you stack them for the holidays for like an advent calendar. So for Valentine's Day coming up, or just little treat boxes. Now let me show you how easy this is to make. We're going to grab a 4 1/4 by 8 sheet of paper and go ahead and grab your scoreboard. Okay. Now let's go ahead and run it by the 8-inch side. Okay, so we're going to score it at 2, 3, 5, 6 inches. And this is going to be my lid. So 2, 3, 5, and 6. Now remember, this part right here is my lid. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip it again, or turn your paper around to the 4 1/4 inch score, and we're going to score it at 1 inch and 3 1/4 inches. So 1 inch and 3 1/4. All right, so I'm just going to use this other paper so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so again, this is going to be my lid end. So let's make this simple. The easiest way for me to do this is just to pretty much knock off your lid first. So let me try to get the good lighting here. So these 2 squares right here is what we're going to cut off. Let me show you so you can see where the line's going to be. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. So right up to this line is what we're going to cut. And this is going to be our little lid portion. And I like to just do a little zag like that. And then again, I'm going to cut this line here. You can do yours straight, but I just find it easier to just wedge it that way. And I am not cutting on my line here, so let me fix that. Okay, so it looks like this. And then I'm just going to, now this is so easy. We're literally just cutting slits into these 2 lines here. So we've got a line, just the first little slit there up to your score line. And then again, right here. So it's going to look like this. You could even fold that now if you want. All right, and now we're just going to do the other side. This is such a simple box to make, so you can make a whole slew of them for classes or whatever you're doing. Advent calendar, it just takes minutes. So, and then there's that side. All right, and now we're basically just folding this up. And let me just trim my paper a little bit because I was a little off on my line. Okay, and what I like to do is corner around the lid just to give it a little rounded look. You don't have to. You can see here I have one rounded at the bottom, and then this is what it looks like if it's not. So it's really just preference, but just to show you the option, I'm going to go ahead and round that off. And now we're just going to close this. So basically you're going to fold all your scores in, and this is how I like to do mine. I like to fold that inside, and then I like to fold it again, just like that. So now you can go ahead and take your glue and just glue that down. I usually like to just take this side right here and just kind of glue it, or you can take tape, either or is fine, so that when I fold it in, I kind of have those edges sticking right in there. And And ta-da, there's your box. If you want to go to a little extra, you can put a little Velcro on there. And just decorate. I'm going to grab some of my die cut pieces. And I'm going to use double-sided tape, foam tape, just to make it pop out just a little bit. So I'm going to use this flower. And I like the contrast on there with the blue. I do have another flower right here. I'm going to use that too. Again, I'm going to grab some foam tape and pop that on there. And if you want to go really extra, you can use some of your stickers or wording to pop on there. I like this one. It says, "Give me a hug." And you could even pop a sequin on there just to make it kind of like pop out a little bit. And use all your different embellishments. I like the gold one for this, so I'm just gonna add some glue and put that on here. And there is our box. They are so cute, and you can see just side by side how adorable this would look for like maybe a Valentine Advent or just as gifting. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. These boxes are so much fun to make, and I know you'll enjoy them. All right, thank you.